How to fix login error on Jacquie Lawson. If you wish to fix a login error that you're facing on Jacquie Lawson, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If you're using the app on Android, long press the Jacquie Lawson application. Tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page. This app info setting can be found on any Android device, and if you're using iPhone, you can try to offload the app instead. Now once you're here, go to storage usage, clear the cache files, and you can also try to clear the data. Then go to your Play Store or App Store. Search for the Jacquie Lawson app, check if the app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. If it's still not helping you solve the problem, then you want to try to check your credentials over here. Launch the Jacquie Lawson app, go to the more option, go to login and check if your password is correct. In case you forgot your password, you can tap on forgotten your password and try to reset it, or you can choose to directly log in with Google and Apple ID instead. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.